In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a Facebook account permanently. But before we continue, kindly make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I post awesome videos like this. So now that you've subscribed to the channel, once you open your Facebook account, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom corner. So you can click on the gear icon at the top corner, or you can also scroll up and click on settings and privacy. So from your settings and privacy, you're going to click on settings. So here now we are going to click on the options that says see more in action in account center. So from here now we are going to click on personal details. So from here now we are going to click on the option that says account ownership and control. And here now you can see where it says deactivation or deletion. So we are going to choose that option right here. So now you're going to see they ask you to deactivation and deletion. You want to click on that account that you want to delete. So from here, you can choose whether you want to deactivate your account or you want to delete the account. So deleting your account simply means you want to delete this account permanently. So you can go ahead and select the account and click on the account deletion, then click on continue. So you want to click on continue. You're just letting you know that you're going to delete both your account profile, your Facebook profile, and your Facebook page. So you can go ahead and select the options, the reason why you want to delete your account. So, but if the reason the options are not here, you can just go ahead and click on continue. So from here now, you can say before you delete, you can decide to keep your messengers or deactivate it instead. You can decide to save your posts. You can decide to download your Facebook informations. You can decide to transfer your information as well. But for this, we are deleting everything. You want to delete everything, you're just going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, you'll be asked to put in your password. So once you put in your password, you can click on continue. So once you click on continue, you'll be asked to confirm the account deletion. You want to click on just delete account. So once you delete account is deleted, an email will be sent to you telling you that you have deleted your account and you have for 30 days to recover that account back. So let's go and open up that email right now. So the email are coming. We're gonna open our email. We're gonna tap on that email right now. And it says the information here, your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Your account is scheduled for permanent deletion. Facebook, you just read through this and you can decide to recover the account if you want to, or you can decide to leave the account for 30 days. After 30 days, this account will be gone. So guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, kindly make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I post awesome videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video. God bless you.